Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today I'll tell you about how to set alarms in Windows 10. Windows 10 has a built-in alarm clock app, which you can set up using the following steps. Type alarm into the Windows search box. Click the Alarms and Clock icon. Click the plug button to add a new alarm time. You can also select an existing alarm to edit it. You can also set the alarm sound, snooze time, number of times the alarm repeats, and the name of the alarm. But these are all optional settings. Click the Save button at the bottom. On most computers, the alarm screen will say that notifications will only show if the PC is awake. So for your alarm to go off, you will need to configure your computer not to go to sleep. To stop your computer from sleeping, type Sleep into the Windows search box. Click Power and Sleep Settings. Set sleep time to Never under When Plugged In or On Battery. But if you don't let it sleep when you're on battery, your computer could run out of juice. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.